Good morning on TikTok. Good morning on YouTube. Happy days are here again. Da 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 da. Happy days are here again. Good morning, everybody. Let me get my YouTube channel set up. We'll get rolling here in just a second. It's like we got a sell on NAS. Look for a sell on SPX. Look for a sell on US 30. I don't know what's going on. Let's take a look at that in a second. Sell to the blue line SPX for sure. Sell to the blue line NAS already happened. Look for the sell right here. Sell for SPX to its blue line right here. This is what we're watching. Let's take a look at it. Gonna be right there is what we're gonna watch while I set up my YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't know what the hell is happening with NAS, but that looks pretty strong. And you should watch the next one over to it. Cool. We're waiting for this to go down and touch this blue line right here. Price action to go down and touch that blue line. All right, let's take a look at what we're doing here now. Gee whiz, I can't even get my channel set up and it's already making call outs. That's crazy. Guys are about to make some money already. And US 30 also, by the way, US 30 also. This one right here. I don't know if you can see that on YouTube. I mean, on TikTok. You might be able to. Playing a sell on SPX to its 5-second blue line based solely on NAS, but let's get to that in a second. Where are we live from? Live from New York. No, Atlanta. Recording date, October 9th. I think it's my one uncle's heavenly birthday. No, the 11th. This is the 11th. Okay, we're good. Such a nice fella, too. Uncle Ben. Hey, maybe I am Spider-Man. Learn from my stupidity and demo trade every trade. Here's why. Okay, that sounds like a good enough reason. All right. We are live, I believe. Let's check both. On YouTube. I think we're live on TikTok. Da, 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 da. Yes, definitely TikTok. What's up, Calvin Dodds? Good morning, Mr. C. Good morning, Birdman. Good morning, Calvin Dodson. What's up, Mike J. Michelle Glowins. What's up, Michelle? Love when I see the old time friends. Let's see. Golden City. Is this morning, though? I don't know where we're at. Hold on. Golden City. 6:50. Yeah, I think this is this morning. Okay. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Thank you, Mr. C, for being on TikTok and YouTube. Let me get my thing going here. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, Mike. Morning, Shiraz. Blessed morning, Orlando, and to every one of you. God bless each and every one of you that's listening on TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter. Good morning, Tank Dog. Good morning, Guy Burger. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, Cindy. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Birdman. Again, everybody on TikTok, everywhere. Good morning. Now, I don't know what's going on with NAS or SPX. I haven't looked at the charts at all. Woke up, did all my morning stuff as I told you I do. I got out of that habit. I'm back in the habit. Love it. Did my Wim Hof breathing. Did my red light therapy. did my inversion therapy, lifted a little weights. Now I'm doing some cardio. All my beginning stuff takes about 20 minutes. All right. Now, let's go ahead and clear all this. Boop. We're going to mix it up this morning. We're doing the legal disclaimer first. Not financial advisor. I'm not. No one is. Just like everything I do and say, this is all just for fun and educational purposes only. You'll have to validate the trades. You'll have to enter your own demo trades. Only just like I do. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice, and you need to seek professional advice before acting on anything I say. Furthermore, I do not provide personal investment advice, and I am not a qualified licensed investment advisor. All information found here, including any ideas, opinions, views, predictions, forecasts, commentary, suggestions, or stock picks expressed or implied herein are for informational, entertainment, or educational purposes only and should not be construed as personal investment advice. I will not and cannot be held liable for any actions you take as a result of anything you read, hear, or see, or hear. Conduct your own due diligence or consult a licensed professional, advisor, or broker for making any and all investment decisions. I trade only demo money unless otherwise noted. I am just a social media influencer. Please visit my store to purchase any of my merchandise. It's a great store, by the way. Any investment, trade, speculation, decisions made on the basis of any information found on this YouTube or TikTok or website or any other channel expressed or implied herein are committed at your own risk, financial or otherwise. These channels reflect my own views, ideas, and opinions. They are not affiliated with any broker, dealer, or registered investment advisor. No representations or warranties are made with respect to the accuracy or completeness of the content of these channels, including any links to other sites. The links provided are maintained by the respective organizations. They are solely responsible for their content. All information presented here is provided as is, without warranty of any kind, express or implied. Here's a way to sum that all up. You're an adult. Make your own decisions. Please understand all that and that we only trade the green up arrow and down red arrow. Haha. Also understand this is a trademarked system, patent pending system, legally protected with both name and all indicators. If you don't know what a provisional patent is, you're an idiot and you'll be sued. If you think you can try to make or duplicate the system, I will sue you. I've already won in court once, Chicago. I will win again. Anyone else tries to do anything with this system without paying for it. If you try to use a system to make profit from it, other than personal, you will be sued. We've had to get on to somebody about trying to resell the signals and stuff like that. But we will sue you. And we have other recourse, too, that is not legal. Oh, wait, did I say that? All right. Please type yes if you understand these things. Also, this is extremely important. Every morning, you guys should write this down. Every day, repeat it. Every day, write this down. If you do something right enough, long enough, the end results are 100% predictable. That goes for anything in your life. I always use the example of weight loss because I owned a gym. 3 gyms for about 15 years. Maybe longer, actually. Like 20 years, the first gym. Anywho, if you do something right enough, long enough, the end result's 100% predictable. If you invest in the top 20 companies in the United States of America since the Great Depression, including when the Great Depression happened and the stock market had bloody October and all that and everything went down. If you had invested since then till now, long enough, 50 years, 100 years. By the way, When you invest in a house, not to flip it, but when you invest in a house, do you expect your house to go up in value? Of course you do. If you invest in the stock market in a fund that has a Janus 20, has the top 20 American companies ever, since the beginning of the current stock market, everything has gone up. Do you expect it to go up in a day? Do you expect it to go up in a week? Do you usually check your different portfolios maybe a quarter every 6 months or at least once a year? When you go to college to get a degree, a 4-year bachelor's degree, do you expect to get your degree in a month? When you go on a diet, do you expect to lose weight in a week and be at your goal weight in a week? When you're going to school to be an attorney, do you expect to be an attorney in a month? If you're going to go to school to be a doctor, do you go and expect to be a doctor in a year? Why is it that when I ask you guys to do something long enough, the right enough, you all know, is the safety trade system. The long enough is the tricky one. But yet, you're all expecting to learn the safety trade system in a day, in a week, or in a month. The reality is this is a PhD in how to trade. How long does it take you to get your PhD normally? A week? Do you get your PhD in trading in a week? Do you get your PhD in any doctorate level in a month or a year? Then how dare any of you complain or whine, or worse yet, get down on yourselves when you don't understand the system in a month? You're not consistently making profit in a day. Are you kidding me? This is literally PhD level training you're getting. I know because I have someone very close to me who used to teach this for 30 years, and he had to reevaluate his teachings after he tried to deny everything for several years and realized that he was teaching the wrong things on doctorate level at both private and public universities in the United States of America. He was teaching this stuff wrongly. Then he learned the safety trade system, and he felt bad because he had taught his students all the wrong things for 30 years. Does everybody get the analogies that I'm trying to tell you? You can, how do I get through to you? Y'all can think that, oh, I got this after 1 month. Maybe. But the reality is, if it takes you a year, you have to understand that it's an education. Now, what I can help you with is you don't have to pay with real money for that education, hence the name of this session today, Demo Trade, Demo Trade, Demo Trade. Learn from, because I had to be the dick that actually had to use my real money to make my trades. I didn't have money in the game. I don't take it seriously. I was an idiot. I was wrong. I lost $26,500 over years and years and years. And years. I think it was 5.5. So I can save you that. What I can't save you is you have to understand the time that it takes to learn the system is an investment in yourself. Sounds silly, sounds corny, sounds what, but it's true. You're not going to learn a foreign language in a week or a month or a year. Some people, some exceptional people can, but that's not normal. The Tommies of the world, the Heathers of the world, those aren't normal. It's going to take you time to master the system. But the end results are 100% predictable. If you eat right, lift weights, do cardio, in a year, you'll be fitter. If you go to school and get good grades and learn how to become a lawyer, and you go to a school and it takes 5-6 years to pass your LSATs and the SAT and all that stuff, you will become a lawyer. If you pick anything in life, anything, and you do it long enough, you'll get good at it. Type yes. Hell yes. Fuck yes. Absolutely true. If you understand that if you do something right enough, the safety trade system long enough, I don't know how long that is, then results, you'll be a consistently profitable trader. That goes for anybody, beginners. If you think you're exceptionally good at trading, good luck, because you have to get rid of all that old stuff. I'll wait, because some of you get discouraged so easily. I'm here to tell you that you didn't give up on tying your shoes. You didn't give up on walking. You didn't give up on talking. You didn't give up on any of that basic thing. You're like, well, of course I can walk. Of course I can talk. Of course I can tie my shoes. Well, of course you could trade. Of course you can use the safety trade system. It's the same logic has to be applied. Okay, there's a few yeps. Some of you just get too short-sighted. We're in that whole instant gratification bullshit society. The reality is you can't do it that way. Okay, we either have a gorgeous buy stop coming up on NAS, or SPX has to fall even further. One or the other will be true. I'll check those out right now in detail. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on YouTube. Good morning, Tanny. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Orlando. Blessed morning, Tyria Edwards. Good morning, Guy Burger. Good morning, Blue Tide Gorillas. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Matt Parker. Good morning, John Parker. Here's an answer I like. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Julius. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, D-Man. Good morning, It's My Time. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Sally C. Good morning, Michelle Gowinski and Mr. C again. Hey, Mr. C, Sally C. You guys related? All right. Now, let's take a look. Because how many people are here right now? 38. How many people are on TikTok right now? 38, and 16. Okay, good enough. I'm going to go ahead and make a whole bunch of calls. I'm going to do them super quick. Super short show. Who remembers Mike? Super short show. Boop. 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 Okay. Let's go fly a kite straight. Damn, Naz is just tearing it up. Exciting news. Me and Keith worked on for hours and hours yesterday, the H&H signal. It's taking a little bit of a challenge, but we're getting closer. We also reworking the daily 1 hours. There's just a lot of stuff we're doing for you guys. A lot of stuff we're doing for you guys. So please thank Keith. He's working very diligently on that. All right, let's do this right here. This right here, shall we? We can leave this one open. I think they can see this one on TikTok. Yeah, she can. All right, we'll leave this one open. All right. Let's go fly a kite straight. Morning, David B. Morning, Dad Bod. You missed a little rant on me this morning already. Miss Family. Good morning, Miss Family. Let's go fly a kite. Good morning, Miami Rocks. All right. Let's take a look, shall we? Naz. 1 second to the blue line. It is a bye. 5 second bye to the blue line, Naz. We need a fall. This is just terrible. I don't know if it did it overnight, though. Let me see something real quick. Did SPX go down? It did. Did US 30 go down? Give me just a second. It did. Oh, okay. Well, we might be back on our ups already. I don't know about that. Yeah, 15 second buy, Naz. We'll come back to these a little later and see what's up. All right, 30 second. All right, here we go. 3 minute, 1 minute. US 30. I already did it. 5 minute. Already did it. 10 minute. Already did it. 15 minute. 30 minute. 30 minute. Buy. 1 hour. US 30. 30 minute sell. US 30. 3 hour buy. 4 hour buy. Let me see it daily. Daily buy. US 30. It's going to be NAS also. I like these. Play any buy stop you can find on NAS, SPX, US 30, all the way down to the 5 second, period. That's what I like for 3 of them. I'll come back to more detail later. We'll actually make money on the second moves there. All right. Gorgeous. Buy. Gold. Let me see the weekly. Yeah, it's still too far away. Fuck. As I was teaching you all yesterday, for those of you who were paying attention in class, it's always best. It's always best. Not that the other can't happen. I'm just telling you what I prefer, what's best. Let me hike these all over to here. Let's go over to SPX. Let's go over to weekly. All right. It's always best when you have daily, weekly matchups on this level right here. Blue line high on the sniper, pink line low on the sniper on the weekly. Blue line high on the sniper. I don't really want to confuse you all. We'll draw it. Blue line high on the sniper daily. Pink line low on the sniper. Always best. Always best. So this is SPX. If you look at gold now, you're going to see gold weekly. Both are high and the 1-2 punch. So gold, daily buy. It's a daily 4-hour buy. Okay? But let's see how she's doing on other levels. We love us gold. Gold and them Nar Hills. 5 second sell. 15 second. Oh, to the 10. Nice. 15. Sell stop to the blue line. Sell stop to the blue line. Sell to the blue line. There it's touchdown. Touchdown to the 15 second blue line. See 30. Yep. Any cell stops you can find, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, to the 30-second blue line cell. You actually have time for this one. All right, then after that, and I prefer it, look for the 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop. Let me see the 1 minute. Yep. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. 5 minute buy. Forming a, what is this, 1 hour cell? Nope. 30 minute cell? Nope. 15 minute cell. Yeah. 15 minute cell, 15 minute 1 hour cell. Or if you're patient, there's your 4 hour buy, 7 hour buy, 7 hour daily buy stop. Love it. Love it. Love it. You can play the cells by all means. There you go. 30-second touchdown. You had time to grab a little bit of that. Abso-fucking-lutely. $30, 15, 30. Play any cell stop you can short term on gold till the 15-minute blue line is hit on a cell. Play any short term cell you can find on gold till the 30-minute blue line is hit. For those of you who are hearing impaired, this is it right here. It's going to go down like that. Now, if you don't want to do that type of thing, then by all means, go way up here, put your buy stop. You can lower this buy stop right about here as it goes down. You can drop it. That's in our rules. So right, buy gold. 7 hour daily buy gold. 15 minute sell gold. Hope I can't be any clearer on that. The 3 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute sells create the 7 hour, 12 hour buys. Just how it works. US oil. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Beautiful. Love it. Keep going down, oil. But unfortunately for us, monthly buy stop oil. Daily sell, though. I just think it's going to skip it. Watch and see. All right, 5 second. Sell to the blue line. 5 second sell to the 10-second blue line. To the 5 second blue line. US oil, UK oil, same thing. Then buy stop, 30 second to the blue line, oil. Buy stop towards the 1 minute blue line, oil. Oil, 1 hour. 1 hour blue line touch. Nice. That was a ricochet, by the way. Buy. 2 hour buy stop, oil. 2 hour, 4 hour buy stop, oil. Daily sell, monthly buy oil. So read that as there's plenty of opportunities to buy and sell in there. Tons of them, actually. Thank you, JTF6. Good morning, JTF6. Good morning, Jasmine Richardson. Good morning, David B. Good morning, D-Man. Good morning, Dad Bod. Good morning, Miss Family. Good morning, Damian Christopher. Good morning, Harjeet Upal. Someone's saying Naz is moving. I'll get back to Naz. Either Naz, so we'll get back to Naz. I don't want to get into that. All right, where were we? EURUSD. Daily buy. It's forming a daily, weekly buy. Monthly sell, EURUSD. I've been calling for a monthly sell for well over a year. It just is going to take a long, monthlies can take forever, trust me. That's why we don't bother with monthlies too much. 5 second, nothing. I already did it. 10 second, did it. 15 second, did it. Come on now, bro. 1 minute, did it. Wow. 3 minute, did it. Okay. It was a 15 minutes. So it was a 5 minute, 15 minute sell. Did it. We're going to have to move this thing down. 2 hour sell to the what? 4 hour line? Yeah, 3 hour line. Play any sell stop until EURUSD hits its 3 hour blue line on price action. 7 hour. Nope. 12 hour. Daily buy. Daily buy. Daily, weekly buy. Where can we enter best off at? Nice. Pulled all the way back. That's what we need to have happen on US 30 NAS and SPX. I want to see these drop all the way down. Buy stop. Weekly buy stop. It's actually a daily weekly buy stop right here. That's a little close. Put it here. No, that's too far. You can pull this down. It's EURUSD. 1.10310. Oh, where's my glasses? Fuck. I got my beta blocker orange glasses. I'll have to go get those. Damn, we've been at this 27 minutes. Fuck. Yeah. Nice. Well, that's a nice little, quick little 30 minutes. I have to go get my orange glass. I'll be right back. Give me just a sec. All right, I'm back. Yeah, where are these blue? You know what they are. Well, most of you probably know what they are. I've been wearing them. They seem to help my vision a ton, by the way. Nice. All right, now we can get to some serious business. To defeat the Huns, let's get down to business. To defeat EURUSD. Good morning, George. What's up, George? What's up, Connie? Good morning, Dwayne. Good morning, Stefan. What's up, peeps? Arjit is still trading. Good morning, Rich OBX. Thanks, everybody, for being on TikTok and YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and enforce the YouTube going to TikTok thing here just a little bit. Not right now. We have 16 people. Nope. I need a lot of you to head over from YouTube to TikTok, please. Otherwise, I'd be closing YouTube down. Thank you all. To defeat the Huns, let's get down to business. To defeat the Huns. Woo! All right, what are we doing? I have no fucking idea. EURUSD daily was a buy. Yeah. Love it. Love the EURUSD daily buy. Love it, love it, love it. Hint, hint, hint. GBB JPY. I don't know. What's it doing? GBB JPY. GBB is always a buy. Yeah, that's true. Actually, a little rhyme works. Look at that shit. We called it from down here, from down under. You guys could have listened to me on 8-6 and up 800 pips. 800 pips on a live call out. I didn't trade this one. I know what I was waiting for. So sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, sometimes a little too conservative. But nonetheless, called out live for you. 800 pips on the last weekly buy stop. Yep. There it is here. And this is EURUSD daily buy stop. Looks strangely familiar as GBP JPY weekly buy stop. To defeat the Huns, let's get down to bit. What's up, Linda? Good morning, Linda Brown. Oh, Linda Brown, thank you for going over. Thank you, Stefan, for going over. Can't get on TikTok, Kev, says Orlando. Oh, well, I'm sorry, Orlando. I can't really say this, but I always create separate accounts. Works like a charm for me. All right. GBB JPY, it's a buy no matter what's happening, but let's see if we can make you some quick money here. GBB, it's a 5-second buy. 5-second, 10-second buy. Yeah, just take any buy stop you can find. I went over this last time with you. Let's get down to business. To defeat who? To defeat the Huns. The last time, all right. You guys want me to keep calling out signals, or do you want me to explain how to hunt for the buy stops? I did the explaining of the hunt for the buy stops yesterday. We got over 100 of them. You want me to hunt and show you the last time GPB JPY did this? The exact same move you're seeing live currently, and it went from here to here. It made over 4,500 pips the last time it did this. Do you want me to show you how to make money on 4,500 pips? Or do you want me to continue and just keep calling out things? Already in profit with gold. Thank you, God. Nice, JTS6. Hunting. Hunting we shall go. We have one vote for hunting. Hunting we shall go. Hi ho to Mario. Hunting for rabbits we shall go. Hunting we shall go. Hunting we shall go. Another hunting. Another hunting, says Mike Mahoyhan. Let's go hunting. I don't care what anyone else says. That's the first few people that responded. They get credit for voting. Here we go. Hi ho the Mario. A hunting. Okay, this is my fave. GBB JPY. Don't you hate when someone says that? This is my favorite symbol over the last several years. Why? Because it just goes fucking up and up and up and up and up. It never stops. So let's take a look, shall we? This is what you're seeing. We're going to go hunt. I'm going to show you how the hunt worked the last time and how it's going to work currently, what you're in. Let's take a look exactly. I'm going to show you everything. This is weekly. Every candle that you see is a week. Just happens to be representation of price action. They call it a candle. It's not really a candle, but I'm not going to get into that at this moment in time. Inside of here, you're going to see green, green. Oh, let me show you exactly. Watch this. This was blast yesterday. I had fun. We got up to over 100. It was 2 days ago, actually. Can't see the live on TikTok. Can't see the live. Just go over to TikTok. Oh, let me show you. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. Here, let's go over there. Good morning, Brexit. Good morning, Linda Brown. And this is what it looks like live on TikTok. Oh, is it frozen? Da, 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 da. Da, da. Let's get down to business. I don't know. Maybe it's frozen or something. Nope, it's not frozen. Nope, that's so funny. There we are. Now you're inside of a loop, inside of a loop. I don't know what happens. Does reality crash when this happens? Look, every time I move, you're going to be inside of a loop and a loop. Wait till you see it on Restream. Holy shit. Your whole world does collapse. It's so weird. All right. So how do you find us on TikTok? You just type in the safety trade. Then you go under live, just like it says in the write-up that you see scrolling at the bottom of your screen. Then you go under live, and then you go find us right here. You click on that, and that's how you get to the safety trade on TikTok. Okay, so now let's get out of there and go back to here. What's up, LF George? Brexit, Linda Brown in the house. That help you, Stefan? Again, the little scroll on the bottom is usually helpful. Sometimes I get behind on it. All right, now back to where we were. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. We're going to do hunting. Hunting we shall go. We have time too. This is great. All right, here we go. How do you find when I tell you to do buy stops as the blue line goes up? How do you find those? This is how you find trades. This is on the weekly. We're on GBB, JPY, GJ, GBB, JPY. It's a Forex currency pair. It's a major foreign currency pair. It's good. It's great. You can make some money as it moves. You don't need to put a lot on there. Like a 0.01 still generates for you really good. It's fantastic. The last time this one did it, it went up over 4,000 pips. 4,000 pips the last time that you saw this exact same scenario. So some of you are saying, let's go hunt for those 4,000 pips, which is a very smart decision. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Solace. Here we go. So I'm explaining how to hunt for these. Here we go. The hunt for red October. When it's green, 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 red, green, green, and this is what it looks like. Okay. Then you take over here. This is your blue. Blue comes up. Right now, blue is almost all the way down. Green, 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 red. Green, green. It's the exact same thing. I made my call out on a buy on 8-6. Okay. You can clearly see the last time it happened. But let's go ahead and select our bars. And then I'm going to tell you, let's defeat the Huns. Let's get down to business. So, all right. So this is where it was back on roughly February 20th, 2023, right here. Okay. So we're going to put in a buy. Boop. And then we're going to let this buy run. This is where you're currently at. You're currently at this point right here now over here in the future. So watch. I'm going to go ahead and play this back. If you would just buy, matter of factly, screw this shit. Hold on a second. Hold on. Can I sell the same amount? Now let me just reset that. Hold on. To defeat the Huns. All right, let's just go ahead and take out that, and we're going to come back into it. I want you to see if you just buy a 0.01, what this would be. Okay, so we're going to go back to the very last time this happened, which is right here. Okay, so you're at this spot now, but this is what it was back then. This is the great playback you can do. Currently, I'm teaching you how you could just take a 0.01. So let's go over to here. Let's make this a 0.01. Hold on. Now, let me see. Okay, we did a 0.01 buy. We're going to go ahead and let this play out at 10 times speed. And I want you just to see. So you're playing with pennies. This is 0.01. Anyone can risk this. I'm going to move this out of the way. Anyone could have risked the 0.01. It's pennies. It was literally pennies when you bought this. To defeat the Huns. Look at what your dollar has turned into. Okay, so it turned in to 41. All right, now it turned into 31. So it's 31 times your money. So let's go ahead and do this again, but let's do it with a little bit bigger, shall we? This is now, why am I doing this? Because you're currently at this exact point in time. This exact point in time, currently. Let's remove these for us, shall we? All right. This right here is currently where we're at. Let me show you again. I'll show you on your charts. This is why we're taking a moment to do this. Let's get down to business to show you guys where you're at. All right, so look. This is what you're looking at. This is going to be a little confusing for some of you. This is the past right here. This is current. I know they look exactly the same, don't they? Isn't that wild? Take a breather. Take a second to catch this, okay? This is roughly February 2023, and this is today, 2024. This is 2023 on the left. Don't they look eerily the same? Everyone, sevens, if you guys can see that they look the same. This is 20. Let me move this over here where I can see myself. This right here is 2023. This right here is 2024. This is today. Okay. So these are not the same, even though they look, hey, they're not exactly the same. They're different fucking years. Okay. Michelle says yes. Larry Cooper says yes. Dwayne Reed says yes. Morning, Dwayne. So there's 2023. Let's watch if you would have bought, I don't know, let's say a more normal amount, somewhere around, we'll just do 100. And we're going to do a buy right here. Let's watch your money and see what would have happened. Okay. So let's play it back. Okay. And this is your money. Now, this is why we're hunting for these buys, because you don't have to do just one entry like I'm showing you here. You guys are going to have the ability to do hundreds of entries over the next year as this goes up. If it doesn't go up, we won't make the entries. If it does go up, we're going to make hundreds of them. And I'm going to show you how to hunt for those entries. And there we are. 100% win rate, $3,000. Everyone here can use an extra $3,000 over the next year. And it was just buy it and hold it. That's all you had to do from this point forward. Okay. So why are we going to go hunt it? Because we can multiply this. What happened in 2023 is currently most likely going to happen again today. Current, not today, but over the next year. Okay. But what is the connection? What is the connection? Oh. Maybe I'm confused. It's GBGBY today. The connection is they're both buy stops. Green, 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 red. Both blue line low on the weekly, pink line low. What do you mean what the connection is? I guess I'm confused on the question. Sorry. What is the connection? It's the same symbol with the same, our rules. I think he's kidding. I think. Oh my goodness. Our whole purpose in existence of what the system is that patterns repeat, and that is your connection. That patterns repeat. I really hope he's kidding around about what the connection is. Orlando, were you just joking, right? Because honestly, that's the whole sole purpose of our system, is that patterns repeat. Wow. Okay. What? Okay, so back here, this is what the connection is. Oh my goodness. I can't do it. I can't. I'm not going to talk dumber than this. I can't do it. The pattern is, the connection is that this motherfucker in 2023 is the exact same fucking thing it is today. If you can't see the pattern, back here it was, right here, green, 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 red. This is your pattern. It's repeating it today. That's the connection. Oh my God. Good morning, Dr. McCain. Naz doing the 1 minute. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and hunt for all the different trades that occurred on the way up in 2023 that you guys could have had. I can't go any dumber. I refuse to go any dumber. All right, I'm done. Okay, so from here you can see, this blue line is going to go up. Watch, you can see it. This blue line is going to go up to defeat. Watch, we're just going to do it slowly. As this blue line comes up over the next well, hell, it's going to take forever. Over the next, see, there it goes, year, as this goes up, okay, the blue line's right underneath here. See this right here? My crosshairs correspond to each side. This right here, as it goes up, you're going to see buy stops. So for instance, on this weekly one, you would have a monthly, weekly buy stop. You could enter the trade once there. Okay. Now, we're going to go hunting on the way up in the past because it's about to happen right now in the future as it comes up. So let me be clear on this. Oh, boy. The blue line in 2023 came up. Currently, the blue line's low. It'll be coming up over the next, 6 months, year and a half. As it comes up, currently, there's buy stops to be had. I'm going to teach you how to find them by going into the past on 2023 and showing you every buy stop you can get. The first buy stop is the one you're currently in. Buy stop, GBP, JPY weekly. Okay, so that's our first buy stop. Oh boy. Good morning, HVNS. Sevens, if you guys understand that. Sevens, if you guys understand that. I am so confused, some people. Good morning, little Joe. I'll wait for people on YouTube. What is the connection? Oh boy. Yeah, I can only go solo with my talking, and then you guys just got to catch on. Sevens, Michelle, Gary, Grant, JL. Okay. So we're all on the same page. I think if someone isn't, you just got to go back and rewatch this video 50 times a week for a month, 200 times. You'll get it. What's up, Mischief Maker? Morning, Dr. McCain. Morning, Colette again. All right, so we got sevens. All right, so back here as it came up, we're now going to go back here and we're going to find all the difference. So we know the first one. Okay, is a weekly one. So that was called out. I showed you how that traded. Okay. Let's get down to business. No, you said it's the pattern. You were so right. Okay. Thank you, Orlando. So here comes the hunt. If we can get this thing to fire off now. All right. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. I got to turn my phone on. Geez, we're running out of time. I got to get going on this shit. We got a lot of hunting to do. All right, so I'm going to show you how to look for the trades, what to look for on the trades, and for whatever reasons, this thing is just pissing me off to no end. Let's get down to business. I might have to resave this. My lovely computer, brand new, by the way, less than a year old. Fucking juggernaut of a computer. And it still likes to do this. To defeat the Huns. Da, 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 da. I hate to bring over my test one, but I will. Here's my test one. Let's see. Okay. All right. Now let's see if we can actually mark this. So from this point forward, we're going to go hunting, because once the blue line starts to come up, that's when you guys look for your buy stop against the weekly blue line coming up. By the way, just so we're clear, the same exact thing is currently happening on SPX blue line coming up on the weekly, and NAS's blue line coming up on the weekly. The exact same thing is coming up on the daily gold. The blue line will be coming up soon, and so on. So there's a lot in AUD. We also had a weekly blue line coming up on AUD. So it happens a lot. We're just going to happen to use GBP JPY, and we're going to go back to the very last time it happened, which is right here. So this right here, from this weird looking purple line that with my glasses on looks funny, we're going to go up this weekly line. As we go up the weekly line, we're going to tally it. We're going to hunt. So the hunt right now, we are hunting a hunting we shall go. A hunting we shall go. Hunting by stops on GPB, JPY, weekly sniper rise. Okay. So right now we have a weekly buy stop. So there's going to be a lot of these too. One, we'll tally them. So it is a weekly buy stop right now is 1, because it's a buy stop right where the line is. Green, 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 red, blue line low. This is what we're going to look for. Now we're going to come over to here, okay? And we're going to go down to the daily, and we're going to see how many daily buy stops occurred from this point forward on the rise up. Okay. So let's see if there's any other daily buy stops. Right here, I'll spread this out for you. You guys do the counting with me right here on these first ones. Is this one yes or no? Is this a daily buy stop? It's after this line as it's rising. Yes or no? Is this daily one a buy stop? Yes or no? Okay. Is this a daily buy stop? After this weekly was called, we're hunting for daily buy stops. Green, 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 red, blue line low, pink crossed it. Thank you. That is a yes, says Larry Cooper. Yes, yes, yes. So that's 1. So now we're going to go over here. We're going to go to daily buy stops. Daily buy stops. We're going to go ahead and find 1. Yep. Right next to it, there's another one. That's 2. Did they both go up and make profit? Yeah. Yeah, they did. So now we're up to 2. Okay. We're going to keep hunting. Until when? Until we defeat the Huns. Let's get down to business. Until we defeat the Huns. Okay. And currently there's one, but that doesn't count because and by the way, let's be clear on this. By the time this comes back up and turns into a daily buy stop, It is no longer green, 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 green. It can't be counted. Look over here. When this comes back up, green, 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 red, and it turns to green, they all stayed green. This is a buy stop. This is a buy stop. This is not a buy stop right here. It started off as one, but by the time it flipped back up, this is turned to red. Yes, if you all understand that. Okay. So if you all understand that, type out yes. There's a difference between these. This one, when it came back up, stayed green. It's perfect. Come over to here. It stayed up green. It's perfect. This was a big aha moment for a few of you the other day. That's why I'm pointing this out. See, when it came back up, it's right. Now, this is just instead of a daily, this is a weekly buy, but you guys, I don't want to get into that, but that's all this is it's the weekly buy over here is green, 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 red, stayed that way all the way through, and that's your buy. Okay, so does that make sense to y'all? All right, now, that's our dailies. Well, now we're going to go from dailies, we're going to go down to 4 hours, and we're going to go back to this part right here, back the last time we had it, and we're going to look for 4-hour buy stops. Well, lo and behold, is this a 4-hour buy stop? Yes. 1. Here's a 4-hour buy stop. 2. Better one, actually. The blue line went further down. 3, 4, 5. There's 5 4-hour buy stops. Not technically one, but that would be a daily one. Not technically one. 6, 7, 8. All those made money, by the way, even if you think it didn't. It's just not big money. Not one. Not one. Not one. Not one. Not one. 8, 9. Not one. Not one. 10. 11. Not one technically. 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, not one, hugely not one by the time it came up. 8, not one, not one, not, 18, 19. There was 19 4-hour buy stops. 4-hour buy stops. Now there was 19 of them. Shit. I can't make all those. I'm going to have to make this a little thinner. There was 19 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And now we're going to go hunting for whatever else you want to hunt for. 2 hours, 3 hours. I'll skip ahead to 1 hour. We'll hunt for 1-hour buy stops. All we're looking for is from this purple point up, because that's where the blue line was its lowest. And then we're going to look for 1-hour buy stops. Is everyone with me? 7s, if you guys are understanding what I'm doing. I think we should be able to go back this far on 1 hour. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Mischief Maker said, wow. Larry Cooper said, that's crazy. Yay, you guys are getting it. Yay. Some of you are actually getting it. Yay. Oh my gosh, some of you are actually understanding what I'm doing. All right. So now, when I say buy stop, GBB, JPY, play any buy stop because it gets more. There's 19 4 hours. There's going to be 31 hours, 41 hours. There's going to be 105 minutes. There's going to be 101 minutes. There's going to be over 110-second buy stops. But we'll just go to the 1-hour buy stop. So from this line forward on the way up, we're going to look and hunt for buy stops. Here's a 1-hour buy stop. See it? Blue line low. I can spread these out maybe a little bit more for you. Buy stop, green, green, green as it came up. Perfect. Blue line, perfect. Yes, it went up. 1. This would be a 2-hour buy, but it's not a 1 hour. So 1, 2, 3. Here's not one next to it, even though it is. It's a 3-hour probably. 3, not, even though it is. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not one there. 10, perfect one there. 10, okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, technically 14, if that came up, I can't tell. 14, definitely not one. It turned red. 14, 15, 16. This is just like a 3-hour buy right here. 16, 17. That does count, even though it's a little dot of a red. 18, not one, not one, not one. 18, not. 20, 18, 19, 19. I don't know. 19, I think. Not. Here's one. 20, 21, 22. Not one, but it's a 3-hour. You get the routine at this point. Not one. Not one. We're at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes, that little dot counts. This is another aha moment for you. Even though that's a tiniest little dot of red, it counts just as if it's a big red. 21, 22, I think it was, something like that. 23, 24, not one really, technically. 25, 26, 27, 28. Not one, but it is a higher one. It's like a 3-hour. I can go back and say, but 28, not one. Not one by the time it comes back over. Yep. 28, 29, 30. Yep. Hold on. We froze again. So we're at 30. As predicted, there would be 30 or more, and there is. All right. 30. Okay. 31. You notice they all make money too, by the way. 32. 30. Perfect. 33. 34. Not one technically because it broke the real direction bar there. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Can we hear 40? Not. Yep, here we go. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Every time I'm pausing in between there, you can see green, 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 red. 43, I think we were on. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 47 1 hour. You guys really want me to draw that out? 47 1 hour since this purple bar was called. There was 47. How about we just write out 47? 47 plus these 19 plus the 2, and we're only on, that's 19. Okay, that's embarrassing. Plus the 2 plus the 1, and then you get your total. Let's see. So that's 20. Well, you might as well just basically say 50, 70, roughly speaking, 70. And that's only to the 1 hours. Okay. So if you miss the weekly, you have 70 more trades to make. If you miss the daily, you have 70 more trades to make. If you miss the 4-hour, you have 47 more hourly trades to make. If you miss the hourly trades, you'll have, oh my gosh, 115-minute trades to make. If you miss the 15-minute, you'll have hundreds of 1-minute buy stops to make on the way up. I like Dr. McCain's comment. LF George is 69. He's right. By the last 4-hour buy stop, how I know the price of Blue Line Sniper not come down, it's just because of the W buy stops. Wouldn't think that many 4 hours, right? Correct. You wouldn't think that many 4 hours, but there are. And there's hundreds more. Most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Yeah. And you can, so in other words, let's be even clearer of what I'm saying. Let's just say, for argument's sake, okay, let's just say and I'll answer Jan's question in a second. I think we already did, but I don't know, maybe wasn't paying attention, but we'll get into that. Let's just say, for argument's sake, that instead of opening up one trade, we open up 69 trades. So let's take this back down. We'll just take it down to a very easy 10. That's all, a limit of 10. We're going to do a buy. And then as it goes up, we're just going to do 69 more buys. I know this sounds silly, but that's all you do. You just do buy after buy after buy after buy after buy after buy. That's all you do. As it's going up, you do your buys. You don't have one trade open compounding. You have 69 trades compounding over and over and over and over again. And I bet you I didn't even hit the button 30 times. Let's see at the end here. Are you watching? You could have entered in over 70 times, and these are just hourly trades. If we'd have gone down to the 1 second, we'd have been in hundreds and hundreds of safety trade buy stops. I hit the button. Why doesn't it say win rate? Best trade 6. I don't want to get into all that. I thought it showed you how many times I hit that. Well, it was a lot. It was probably 20, 30 times. And that's how you can do that. It's that simple. Oh, but it's not that simple. Yes, it is. Now, Jan, let's go to Jan. Next question. By the last 4 hours, let's go to the last 4 hour. Go over to here. Go over to here. Let's go over to the last 4 hour. How would you know to get in? The last 4 hour? Because it turns to green, your entrance would have been in. I would have waited for this hook, but you could have got in right here when it turned to green. Watch. I'm a little confused on that question. This is your entrance right here on the very last one. Your entrance would have been here. So you would have had I would have had my buy stop ready to go in case it shot up, which it did. You'd have entered in right here. This is the last 4 hour buy stop. Even the second to the last 4 hour buy stop, you'd have made money both times. This is just nothing. This is clearly, hope to God you guys can see what they're doing. This is one here. This is one here. You know, W, W, W. But that's all. So that's how the last 4 hour buy stop works. Good morning, Jackson. Andre, you might want to rewatch this video. It's very good. For being part of the safety trade system for 2 years and could retire because of the system, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of taking trades above. It's that simple. Thank you, Dr. McCain. Good morning, Kim, the Candle Envelope. Kim, you're going to really want to rewatch this one. We're doing the hunt for Red October. We're hunting. Just kidding, Kim. What we're doing and showing is how you would hunt. When I tell you guys to look for your buy stops, we're hunting buy stops in GPBY, weekly sniper rise. Weekly buy stop, there was 1. Daily buy stops, there was 2. 4 hour buy stops, there was 19. 1 hour buy stops, there was 47. For a total of 69. I said 70. Kevin says greed is what destroys you. Be disciplined, make your money. Absolutely. So why are you not buying the system? Good morning, Ken. What's up, Ken? I like Ken. Never met Ken, but I like Ken. I said last week, just going over the type from Careful and Fund Insurance. Happy to be part of the community. What's up, Mischief Maker? That's why I didn't recognize you. Everyone, please welcome Mischief Maker. If you could just say hi or welcome or whatever to him, that'd be great. Damn, that took 45 minutes. Everyone should buy the system. Thank you, Ken. Yay. Just a piece of advice people knew. Don't play the little shit. It's Ripshaw. Be patient. Yeah, he's saying stay out below the 3 minutes. It's a little challenging. It is. It's so much safer on the weekly dailies. Dr. McCain is right. Do not deviate. Good morning, MC. Good morning, MC. All right. Thank you, Taraya. I'm sure I'm slaughtering your name, Miss Edwards. I apologize if I am. I slaughtered everybody's names here. So feel part of the crowd, feel part of the group, feel part of the family. Slaughtering names. All right. A little thirsty. Need some fresh juice. All right. So I could keep going. We stopped at the 1 hour. We could have gone to the 15 minutes and found them. We could have gone to the 5 minutes of 3 minute, 1 minute, 30 seconds. Are you kidding? You know how many 15 seconds there would have been? I would guess 500 or more buy stops on 15 seconds on the way up. So all we did, just so we're clear, we took a moment in time. This weekly GBB JPY, why I'm so high on it. This is what we did. Listen to me and listen well. All I did was take a little bit of time to help you all understand. This is what happened in 2023. This is current. It's the exact same pattern. You will look as the blue line rises for buy stops. If you look for blue line rises buy stop the last time it happened, you had all of these buy stops that you could have found, over 69 of them just to the 1 hour. So are we all clear on that? Yes, we're clear on that. This is the power of the system in the palm of your hands. To quote the great Doc Ock from Spider-Man 2, Tobey Maguire, you guys have the palm of your hand, the power. You guys have the power in the palm of your hand to destroy BlackRock, to take down Vanguard, to win 90% of your trades rather than lose 90% of your trades. You guys have in the power of your hand, thanks to Bree and myself for sharing this, and the great Keith Palmer for coding the different little colors you see. In the palm of your hand, you control your own destiny. We had one of our members is announcing his retirement soon from everything. He can just trade professionally now. In the palm of your hands, you now have the ability to make money while you sleep. You have make money while the market goes up. In the palm of your hands, you have the power to make money while the market goes down. It doesn't just work on buys, it works on sells just as easily. Matter of fact, I like sells better. I love sells better. When the market's going down, it's so much easier for me to see the sells. It's just as easy with the buys. I had to learn it. But I was instinctively seeing the sells. I don't know how many of you were like that. But I could see sell patterns so much easier. Now I've trained my mind over the last couple of years to see the buys just as easy. But I remember distinctly seeing the sells easier. So if the market goes up, we make money. If the market goes down, we make money. In the palm of your hands, you have the ability to make correct trades in a $7.2 trillion a day business, which means I've made you all trillionaires, billionaires. None of you believe that. I do know that I've helped a couple people approach millionaire status, pass it. Tommy's one, along with Jay and a couple others. I do know that I've helped dozens of people retire according to what they post in the Discord and the emails that I receive, dozens and dozens and dozens. We're probably approaching over 100 people have retired because of the system. I just showed you how to go hunting for these trades. If you stay on the weekly and the daily and you do the hunting like I'm showing you, it would be extremely hard for you to miss a trade. Okay. I do have a question about FIFO. Do you ever get this message? Is a requirement that the first or oldest trade must be closed first? The customer has more. You're trading with American. You're trading on American. Oh, here. Cindy, you're trading with American brokers. There's no such thing. If you go over to Hugo's Way, Go in the Discord under the learning room and ask them. They'll give you a whole bunch of different brokers. I don't recommend brokers. I do have open accounts with Eagle FX. Still have no issue with them. One of my best friends does, though. I have no issue with them. Hugo's Way, Pepperstone. But yeah, in America, they make everything possible, or you're the equivalent of an American broker. They make everything impossible for you to win. They have day trading rules. You have to have $20,000 in your account. You only get 50-1 leverage. They make everything in America. And by the way, I know it's a complete scam. I can't say these words. I know that it's not right because forex.com allows every other country other than America to trade the indices. And I found it, I guess by mistake, probably because I was using one of those VPNs. But they allow, and I called forex.com up, and the guy goes, "How did you see that? You're calling from America." And I said, "Yeah, it's American account. That's what I'm looking at." He goes, "Forex.com representative said, no, the indices aren't available to Americans. They're only available to non-American traders." And that's forex.com. They keep us down any which way they can. You can't trade big. You have to have 20. In other words, you have to be rich to make the money in with American brokers. That's all I can tell you. Let's see. Mischief Maker. Thanks, everyone. Love and respect to all. Thank God for this opportunity. Thank God for and all that y'all make up the screen. Thank you, Mischief Maker. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. You have helped me coach. The end of this year should be my last comment. Nice, Larry. I can't wait to hear your retirement. Tell me when you retire, Larry, please. We got to celebrate that for you. Okay, thank you, Golden State. You're welcome. Let's see. You can set your own tax policy with the broker. You can do FIFO. OGK. Let's read what OGK is much smarter on this. He's saying you can do FIFO, LIFO. I was unaware of that with American brokers. Let's see what he's saying. He's a much smarter man than I am. You're doing swing or day trading. You can keep your original position. Oh, for swing or day, correct. If it's a long term, I see what he's saying. That is correct. Technically, you could get around that. You could say that. But the reality is, if they see her trading more than 4 or 5 times in any given week, they're going to get pissed as fuck, and they're probably going to flag her account, in my opinion. Just don't deal with them. Fuck them. They suck. Go into the Discord under the learning tab. Go over here. Go into the Discord. Go over here, actually, to the Discord. Go under here. Go under the learning room and type in what broker can I use, and I know Matt Parker, John Parker, Botnet, HERES. They'll all jump in and help you. They'll all give you a whole bunch of brokers you can use because they are full of shit in American brokerage houses. Sorry. 8cap is a great broker. I've had great experience. And remember, some people can't get into certain ones, but hopefully they're good. EFX all the way, says JFS6. Demo trade through open. HVSN. You should demo trade the whole time. What are you talking about? Who is this? HVNS. The rules state, the type form states demo trade only. I only demo trade. You demo trade. Why is this even a question? What the fuck does it say right here? Who is HVN? Demo trade. You demo trade. Do you see this? Does everybody see the words demo trade? Yes or no? Shit, we only got like 10 minutes to market open. Fuck. Shit. Oh boy, we got a few minutes. I can jump in the last second, still kick ass. Don't worry. Yeah, we demo trade around here. Always and only. Correct. JTF. Why was that question asked? Always and only. Yes, HVNS. It's demo trade only. I know. Are you going? Oh, HVNS. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. and I'm not really liking your attitude. You're really going to need to get an attitude adjustment or just leave. I'm talking about very important stuff here. Matter of fact, fuck this shit. Welcome to a timeout. I'm not dealing with this. I'm going over a very important stuff right now. If I get to the trade, I will. I have my alarm set for 7 minutes out. This is all very important stuff. If you don't think so, then leave. You don't have to be here. That goes for every last one of you that are here. Jesus. Some people, the ungratitude of some people, it's scary. It's fucking scary. Wow. All right. How much time? I'm going to make a couple more calls here. Yeah, if HVS meant to say thank you for sharing all this knowledge and information to us, and that's what he meant to say, good for him. If he didn't mean to say that, then leave. Then get the F out. Thank you, Kevin, for saying all that. Yeah, now everyone's jumping in to see the calls. I should not do the calls. How many people are on TikTok? 18. All right, you guys have 1 minute to build up to over 30 on YouTube, or I'm closing down YouTube and you won't even see any call outs anyways. How about that? Isn't that funny? You have to go over to YouTube now from TikTok, or I'm closing down YouTube and you have less than a minute. No, screw it. I'm just closing down YouTube. All right. Well, it's been a blast.